What is up, YouTube? This is Jolo2TV back with more for you to see, and today we're going to be talking about the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Slate colorway. Now, I'm a huge fan of these, and I really am excited to be able to cop these. Now, I will say as a disclaimer, I did a video about these 3 years ago in this specific colorway. Now, I got my hands on a pair of replicas from this company that sent a pair to me. And sometimes I like to see these in person because, as you know, the Yeezy colors from the pictures online to what you end up getting in person can be completely different. So sometimes it's really cool to see them in person so you can really get a vibe for what the colors are actually going to look like when you wear them and when you have them in your collection. Now, as you can see, it's a simple, plain colorway that's nothing extremely special except for a black stripe. We've seen this colorway before in this sesame colorway, which was the exact same thing, just minus the black stripe. Now, where you're going to be able to cop this is, of course, on YeezySupply.com, and you're going to be able to cop them on Adidas Confirmed. You can currently sign up on Adidas Confirmed, and they will be at a retail price of $230. They're going to be coming out on September 3rd, 2022. Like I said, I did a review on this colorway previously. I think it was in 2017, and I have a whole bunch of footage showing off all of this. And at that time, they were working on getting that to have a glow sole. Now, that was probably one of the biggest things that sold me. Was number one, it was a very simple colorway, and number two, I love when my soles have glow in the dark. Now, with those two things in mind, you're gonna be able to sign up for these on quite a few different websites. Now that I'm looking, you're gonna be able to go on Dick's Sporting Goods, Nordstrom, Mr. Porter, Snipes, Yeezy Supply, Finish Line, JD Sports, Foot Locker, Champs, YCMC, and yada 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 yada. All the big box stores are going to have a pair of these Yeezy 350 V2 in the Slate colorway. Now, go ahead and try to sign up for those raffles as soon as possible, because you gotta get on these, because I think that these are probably one of the best pair of Yeezy 350 V2s that have come out here in 2022, besides the re-release of the black and red ones. But yeah, this is a fairly simple colorway, and if you're into this, go for it. I personally like these a lot because of the simple colorway in this instance, because I did like the sesame colorway and I did have that in my collection. So it'd be nice to add this back in and, you know, kind of match, you know, like my blushes or even the sesames that I had before, but now with the black stripe, of course. And something that's new going on this sneaker is the new Yeezy logo, which is like that globe that's right there on the inside, and of course showing Yeezy. Now, you can go ahead and pick these up in different sizes, including men's, toddlers, and child's size or whatever. So if you're into these, go ahead and cop these. I personally have signed up on Adidas Confirmed with the hopes of being able to give you guys a on-foot review of these, because I would love to add these to my collection. But yeah, guys, if you guys are going to be copying this, let me know down in the comments below. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share. Jolo2TV.